Jai Hind dosto. Welcome back to your YouTube channel Roshan Shastrii. So as you guys already know that Ministry of Textile Committee has started a recruitment drive for the recruitment of MSc Chemistry as well as BSc Chemistry students. This video is regarding the same. Here we will discuss how you will prepare for the exam and from which resources you should take the content. Okay, this is basically a video lecture series for the exam preparation of textile committee. Here I will discuss what is the exam pattern, what is the detailed syllabus, and in the syllabus from where you will get the notes as well. You can prepare for this examination using my YouTube channel only. This exam is comprised of two portions. One is called technical portion. The syllabus of technical portion is actually like this. It is comprised of 50 marks that contains chemistry, physics, textile, and environmental chemistry. Here, from this video, we actually started a video lecture series for the preparation of this exam. That non-technical part is again contain 50 marks, which contain general awareness, numerical aptitude, and English. Let's understand the detailed syllabus. That chemistry portion, this chemistry portion involves reactions of chemical reaction of acid base. Basically, this is your acid-base chemistry. Acid-base chemistry means you have to understand inorganic acid base as well as organic acid base. I will upload a definite video regarding this. So atomic structure, periodic table, and periodicity, chemical bonding, the most important portion of any examination. These three topics are actually available in your YouTube channel, Shastrii. I will show you using my channel from where you will get the videos. Now remaining portion is concentration of acid base. This is again your acid base chemistry. I will upload the video regarding the acid base. The next is your physics. You have to learn physics by yourself only. I will teach only chemistry portion. Again, analytical chemistry, I will upload a definite video on spectroscopy technique, acid base method, chromatography technique. Now again, environmental issue, again I will upload a video on pollutant and its analysis, water and effluent analysis. Now for textile and fabrication, that is textile fabric, textile texting, basic environmental textile, you have to learn by yourself. Okay, if you want, I will give some references from where you can learn this topic. So guys, let's move to your YouTube channel Shastrii, from where you can easily learn about atomic structure, periodic table, chemical bonding. So just write YouTube in your web browser. Open the YouTube, search for Roshan Shastrii. Yes, this is the authentic YouTube channel of Roshan Shastrii. Just go to the channel, go to the playlist. In playlist, so my friend, so aspirant, these three are the topics that I was talking about. This is the chemical bonding. This is classification of element. This is atomic structure. Just go to the view full list. You will see I had already uploaded lot of videos regarding the chemical bonding, and the chemical bonding portion is one of the most important part of your Ministry of Textile examination. Here, just watch this video starting from part 1, part 2, part 3. I have made a very quick trick for the determination of the structure of a molecule. This one. So this is about your chemical bonding. This is all about the periodicity. Okay, my friend. This is your atomic structure portion. So chemical bonding portion, classification of element and periodicity, that means periodic table and atomic structure, is already covered in your YouTube channel. Now next in next video lecture series, I will upload regarding the acid base chemistry. By this we will slowly cover all the portions of technical part. Till then, guys, stay tuned to Roshan Shastrii YouTube channel. Thank you.